Good morning, children. I am Leela Miss. I am going to take a mathematics class for class 4 children. Are you happy? Are you keeping fine? Okay. Then previous day I have given you some homeworks and asked you to study multiplication table. Did you do that? Oh, you are good children. You might have done it. Today we are going to do another word problem. You take page number 49. Rice distribution. Textbook, open your textbook and take page number 49. Rice distribution. And keep it in front of you. I will read the question again. For Onam, 5 kilograms of rice will be given to each child. Then for that, 3,600 kilograms in the first day lorry which was brought and 1,900 kilogram in the second lorry. The rice was brought in 2 lorries. Then you can see that how much rice was brought for distribution and how much rice is brought. First of all, we have to find out how much rice is brought. How to find out? In the first lorry, there was how much? In the first lorry, 3,600 kilograms rice was brought. Then second lorry, 1,900 rice was brought. How much rice was brought in 2 lorries? For that we have to add the rice brought in 2 lorries. You add here 3,600 plus 1,900. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 6. First 9 you keep in mind. Answer vekka. Then take 6. 5 plus 1. Then add. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 5 tens. 15 means 10 tens plus 5 tens. No? 10 tens make 100. Then 1 you want give to next place. Then carry over 1. How much? 3 plus 1, 3,000 plus 1,000, 4,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 5,000. 5,500 kilograms of rice was brought in lorries. Then it was distributed. How much was given each day? We have to find out. 5,000 kilograms was distributed in 2 days. 1,000 kilograms more was given on the second day than on the first day. Then we have to find out the rice given in 2 days. First of all, we have to divide it equally. 1,000 kilogram they gave more in second day. So we have to subtract from here. 5,000 kg was brought given 2 days. 5,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. 4,000 kg was distributed. Then you take away 1,000 kilograms from there and divide it equally in 2 days. 4,000 is divide into half. What is the half of 4? Take 4. Half of 4 divide equally 2 plus 2. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 2,000 plus 2,000 is equal to 4,000. 2,000 plus 2,000 is equal to 4,000. Then first day 2,000 kg rice was given. Second day 1,000 kg. 2,000 plus 1,000. 1,000 kg more distributed. Then our second day distributed 2000 plus 1000 kg is equal to 3000 kg was distributed on second day. First day 2000 kg. First day 2000 kg rice was distributed. Second day 2000 plus 1000 kg. Then 3000 kg rice was distributed on second day. Then next you take milk distribution. You know that your parents may give milk to dairy farm or society, no? Then we will get money weekly. Here milk distribution, page number 50, you take the school buys milk from the dairy farm society. How much should be paid to the society for the 2 weeks together? Last week, how much rupees was paid? In a school, children are given milk. Then for that, they bought milk from a society. Last week, they did not give the price of milk. This week also, they are going to pay only. Then all together, last week and this week, all together, how much money the school has to pay to the society? രണ്ടാഴ്ചത്തെ തുക എത്രയാണ് സൊസൈറ്റിക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്ന് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്? ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് price of milk for last week is equal to 4,704 rupees. Then price for milk this week is equal to, this week 100 rupees less than last week. That means 4,704 minus 100. You subtract from 100's place. 700 minus 100 is equal to 4,604 rupees this week. Then what we have to find out? How much should be paid to the society for the 2 weeks together? Then 2 weeks together, how much money we have to find? Money should be paid for 2 weeks is equal to 4,704 plus 4,604. Then you add and find out how much. 4 plus 4, 8. 0 tens plus 0 tens, 0. 7 plus 6 or 6 plus 7. You add and find out. 7 keep in mind, take 6 and add to it and find out the answer. Okay. You complete this. Then you have to make write the different numbers, number patterns. Complete the pattern. Then first pattern, increase by 1. 1,221 plus 1, 1,222, 1,223. Then you have to, after 24, 1,225, 1,226, 1,227, like that. you do that. Next one, increase by 10. Next, increase by 100. Next, increase by 1000. Last 3 also you complete that. I will give you the example in the notes. Okay. Thank you. It is time to wind up our class.